Welcome back to my stage for beginners. In this tutorial I'm going to explain nested if and statement and the second if-elseif else statement. So each one with his example and the flowchart. So let's start with nested if. Okay, so let example be x equal input our message, input the number or enter the number. Okay, then condition if x less than 10, we can display numbers less than 10. Okay, and another condition, this if inside if. Okay, if x less than 5, display a message numbers less than 5. It's less than 5. Okay, so end, and we can type else to write another display. We can type ending. Okay, and then end. And now we can check the code. We can type 3 inputs case. For example, the first one, which is 8, we can see here just the first message appeared in the command window. Okay, because 8 is less than 10. Okay, I get a message number is less than 10. We can run it again. For example, let be 4. 4 is less than 5 and 10, so I'll get 2 messages. Okay, the first message and the second message, less than 10 and 5. Okay, because the condition is satisfied. If I run it again, for example 13. Okay, 13 is greater than 10 and of course greater than 5. So the code, it will end out and I'll get ending. Okay, ending. That about code, and I can explain for flowchart. Nested if end. So start condition 1. If condition 1 is true, I can print. If false, I can go out. Okay, if condition 2 is true, I can go to end. If false, I can go to end without any print. Okay, so in that example I typed 8. That means 8 is less than 10. Okay, the condition 1, it will be true, and the condition 2, it will be false. Okay, it will end. Okay, and the second number 4. Okay, the second number that satisfy both conditions. Okay, both condition 1 and 2. Okay, and the 13, it cannot satisfy anyone, so he will false and go to else and ending and end. And now let's take the second case, which is if-elseif end. So let's take example. X is equal input message enter number between 0 and 30. Okay, so the first condition, if x less than 10, we can display number less than 10. Okay, and else if x less than 20, we can display a message number less than 20. Okay, so another condition, x less than 30, we can display a message okay less than 30. Okay, and the last statement, if all condition is not satisfied or doesn't operate, we can get another message which is display okay number is greater than 30. Okay, so we can type end. Okay, let's check our code. Enter number between 0 and 30. The first enter we can take 7. Each time we can get one message. 7 is less than 10. Okay, that's condition is satisfied. Okay, and he will end the code. Another one, 15 of course is less than 20. Okay, this condition is satisfied. Run it again, and let's take number less than 30. For example 22. Okay, numbers is less than 30. The last input we can take number greater than 30. We can type 55. Okay. The number is greater than 30. Okay, so I can explain in flowchart. Okay, so start condition 1. If condition 1 is true, we can print our statement, then end. If false, we can go to another one. Okay. Condition 2 is true, we can print and go to end. If false, we can go to another condition. The third condition, if true, we can print our third statement, okay, then go to end. If false, we can go to else and print and ending. That's all about the if-elseif end statement and its flowchart. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask. Thanks for watching.